Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over the email domain sign up restrictions. Sign up restrictions are basically just rules or policies that you can set to basically further tailor down or restrict access to your applications. So we have, external applications where people from outside of your organization, anyone with internet access can basically sign up to your external apps. But if you wanted to add some extra level of restrictions because maybe you wanted only a certain type of person or a group of people to sign up to your applications, you can. And today we're going to be going over email domain restrictions. All right. I'm going to jump into the support auth external service. So this is, a service that connects to an application called Support Me. This is a web application. This is an external service. Um, and if we wanted to, say we wanted to restrict access to just a specific set of email domains, it's very, very easy way to do it. So if we go over to the configurations tab and jump into the restrictions tab, we currently have a couple restrictions for age. Let's go ahead and add one for email domain. So it's simple. All we now need to do is specify what email domains can sign up. So I'm going to go ahead with a very popular one. I'm going to say Yahoo. So now anyone with a at yahoo.com can sign up. I'm going to go ahead and use a custom one. Let's just assume that someone had a company specific domain. So let's say maybe we're trying to restrict this for only people from like ExxonMobil, and let's just assume that they have an Exxon at exxon.com email. Then I will just put Exxon here. Okay, and now only people with a Yahoo and Exxon email can sign up, right? What if I wanted let Gmail get into the action? I can add Gmail over here, and now Gmail is in. Well, what if I wanted my alma mater, Texas Tech, to get in? Well, I can say only people with the TTU. So obviously in this configuration, people with the TTU email, at Gmail email, at Exxon email, and at Yahoo email can sign up. So you can think of this, and you can think of adding as many of these as you want, or you can limit it to just the ones that you want. And that's pretty much that. So now when we save this and we launch to our production environment, only users that meet this restriction requirements, right, age and email domain, will be able to have access to our application. All right, that's it for this video. We've gone over the email domain restriction, all part of the in-house firewall module. All right, I'll see you in the next video.